Alright guys, so I just met up with the gang. We're on the way now. It's an hour and 20-minute drive. I'm gonna try to shoot some content. We have a new gen Type R. We have a TT. We have a Hyundai N-Line, I think it is. We have a G37 stick. And then behind me, we have a 435 stick as well. So, should be some fun. The Type R has a 360 cam on it. I'm gonna see if he could send it to me and maybe I could put it in this video. Also, I did not put any E in the car. I wasn't too sure if I should put E just because what happened yesterday with the oil. Yo, that G37 is clean. Sounds pretty good. I would open the window, but I just got my car washed, so let me see if this Soupy wants smoke. Hopefully I get good content at the LZ World Tour. I want to see if I can meet any of the YouTubers. I've been watching TJ Hunt since like 2016. I've been watching Adam LZ since like 2018. We finally made it to Raceway Park. Oh shit, there's a cop right here. Oops. Cash only. I don't got cash. We gonna have to finesse this. We gonna have to finesse this. Hey, what happens if I don't have cash? Can I
have time to pay?
Yeah, I don't. Yep.
Good.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Just so he can bring that focus on your head, bro. 500K in his head right there, Bob.
2 mil, bro.
2 mil?
No.
You lying.
We finally made it inside. I already grabbed some food. I seen a little of the Drift Jam. They're gonna take a track break right now for about an hour, so that's gonna give me time to start looking at some cars. Carbon trunk.
I thought they were gonna come right to
Triple chrome. Gated. That's big money right there. What is this, ISF? There's also a LZ jersey that I want to buy. Let's keep it pushing. If the angle's weird, I'm sorry, I'm not used to vlogging. MK4. There's Drift Missile right here, right hand drive, Workmeisters, FDRX7 with a huge turbo. I see a car over here that I want, one of my dream cars. S15 Spec R.
Wow, man, look at the fuck you.
Right hand drive.
I watched your YouTube video, dude. What's up, man?
Word.
I'm a fan, bro.
Word.
I'm a fan, bro.
Name on video.
I'm out, bro.
Don't fuck your steps.
Rich! Millionaire, hey! Rich! What on the day?
Look at the deepest wheel. Automatic. Tan interior. You don't really see too many automatic Supras because most of them get converted. Bro, look at the wing on this thing. I just found a gem. I want a Del Sol so bad. TEs. This 86 is clean. I'm trying to record everything, but there's a lot, and there's a lot of people here too. Bro, this is the best GTR color. Midnight purple is cool, but this. It's a 340. Yo, the original 340, look. This is the original 340 right here.
This is E36?
It's an E30.
I'll take this color.
Nah, you're tripping.
Nah, I'll take this color over that one. That's
Nah, this interior is clean. Bro, with the phone, the BMW phone. K-Swap FRS.
Just get 10K50 ready, bro. I had an RX, I got an
You said the easiest oil change in the world.
Yo, chat. If he blows up, this.
I'm gonna cut this shit out the video.
No.
Hey, cut this shit out, please, bro. This guy gotta stop glazing the glazers, bro.
Bro, it's not being like laser. Look. At this point, bro, if he blows up, you have to cash me out. Deal?
On this?
Yeah, I'm talking about get like M's and shit. Shake that shit.
You want this exact one.
I want it black.
See, you asking for too much.
Right? This guy.
You talking about, oh, I want a black one. I want the no. You
I want
take
it black.
you taking
I'm trying to get chrome
you
rims, all that
taking you
shit.
taking the cheapest one on Facebook Market.
Cabrón, y eso, loco.
Yo, this is the line for the LV booth. I'm about to skip this shit.
Thumbs up for that fucking dude that has a camera I see that shit on fucking TikTok, bro. I've never seen him drive before.
There's
TJ Hart go 2 for 2 and takes that Brian Anderson out LG. LG's back in the 15-2. Here we go, big initiation from TJ SR 20,000 and Silver 15 to lead out the A90 turns off from TJ Hunt as they fire into an initiation. That could have been a final. That could have been a final. That was impressive.
Triplets? Right hand drive, yellow Recaros.
Damn, bro, that's real sweet, bro.
Guys, I'm leaving the event early. It's way too cold. I got shorts on. I thought the sun was gonna be out until like 7:30. The sun went down at like 4. and it's 6 p.m. I've been freezing this whole time, and it looks like it's about to start raining. So we gonna leave early. We gonna avoid traffic. Look at the wind. You see all that shit blowing. It's way too cold. And tomorrow is gonna rain and be colder. And tomorrow's the finale. I'm not coming. This is gonna do it for today's video. Drop a like, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. Drop a comment. And yeah, we out. I'm gonna try to race the 435 on my way home, but I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. That might be in the next video though, so stay tuned for that. You trying to race?
I don't know. I mean, depends. Like, I might be too fast for you, bro.
How much you pushing? 700?
Sound like that, you know, the safe limits for this car.
Oh shit, it's on. What's up,
Yo,
dude?
what's going on, YouTube? Dripped out season.
I think he's taking a fat ass shit.
I think he said his G80 got an oil leak on it, bro.
I'm trying to get a fucking funnel paper, no cap.
Wait, it records front and back?
Bro, mean fitment over here, pa. Esto aquí mismo. Que nadie sepa. That wasn't me.